Are you getting married soon? Are you curious what a prenup can do for you? Meet Jack, who owns a house under his name, and Sarah, who owns a business inherited from her mother. They have just gotten married and moved into Jack's home. After the marriage, Jack works diligently to renovate and fix his house. Sarah continues to grow her business through her efforts and expertise. In the event of a divorce in a community property state like California, Jack's house may be subject to division, and the community may acquire an interest in Sarah's business. It's important to note that in California, without a prenuptial agreement, if the separate property of either spouse increases in value during the marriage, and the increase in value is attributable, in whole or in part, to the services of either spouse during the marriage, the community may have a right to participate or share in the increased value of the separate property. But let's consider another scenario. Jack takes out equity from his home to invest in Sarah's business to help it grow. Or, Sarah and Jack use funds from their income to renovate Jack's house. Without a prenup, Jack and the community may potentially have a claim or interest in Sarah's business in the event of a divorce, while Sarah and the community may potentially have a claim or interest in Jack's house. Community property is a legal concept in California that defines how assets and debts are treated in marriage. Without a prenuptial agreement, community property is divided equally between the partners in the event of divorce or legal separation. This means that each partner is entitled to 50% of the community property. Under California law, any property that a married couple acquires during their marriage is considered community property. This means that both partners have an equal ownership interest in the property, regardless of who acquired or paid for it. Although separate property is not subject to division as community property, as the previous scenarios demonstrate, the community may have a claim or interest in the spouse's separate property depending on how the separate property is managed during the marriage. To ensure their assets are properly protected, Jack and Sarah should consult with a qualified prenuptial agreement lawyer before they get married. The lawyer provides a free consultation and helps them understand the implications of how funds are handled during marriage. With the help of the lawyer, they draft a customized prenup that fits their unique needs and circumstances. By getting a prenup, Jack and Sarah are taking steps to protect their assets and ensure a smooth future together. Contact us for a free consultation with no obligations. Get the protection you and your partner deserve.